Hello and welcome to today's vlog.
Hiya.
Hello. We're just leaving Aynho Wharf. We've been here for a couple of nights. Lovely little mooring opposite the wharf itself. Filled up with diesel, emptied the L-sand, put some water in, did all the usual stuff. And now we're on our way to Somerton, Deep Lock. You're probably wondering why I've got a rain mac on. Well, it started off wet this morning, but it looks like it's going to clear up a little bit. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's a bit windy, but anyhow.
So we're heading towards Thrupp, which is not a disease. it is a little location. We're heading there. I don't think we're going to get there today. I might get there tomorrow or the day after, but certainly within this vlog, fingers crossed. We should also thank you for all your likes, comments, shares.
Thank you.
Yep. And your patronage, you know,
Ooh.
subscribing. It's lovely to hear from you as well. We like all your comments.
Oh, love them, love them.
And we do reply to all of them eventually. But you'll appreciate editing and filming and everything else takes a little bit of time. But as we always say, we're in no rush.
No.
In fact, we've gone past the moored boats and we're still on tick over, look.
That's because I'm steering.
Yeah. Now, some of you may have seen on social media, on our Twitter account, that we posted a picture of the front of our boat looking like it was going head on with a boat coming the other way. That happened a couple of vlogs ago and I didn't include the footage because I wanted to make sure everything was all okay beforehand, and I obviously got a bit of blurring and everything else to do so that you don't recognise the boat, the owner, or even the boat that we were going past. There was a moored boat on the left hand side. So now I think is the time to do that because I've been editing other vlogs before it. So I'm going to show you that clip and I'll let you make your own mind up. Whatever you think, you have to remember that the bow cam or the GoPro, because of where it is, it's low down on the boat. Anything low down, for instance on a car, when you're watching racing cars, the low angle makes it look like it's going faster than it actually is. And what I'm hoping to do now is to give you an example of, for instance, the speed we're going at on this boat using this camera compared to the GoPro camera at the front of the boat, and see if you can see a difference in speed.
Mind you, we are going slow at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah. So with a bit of wind, this is the sort of speed we were going at the time. On the speedo here, that's 900 revs, which is quite slow for this engine. It's a beta 50, so it's got a bit of poke. So
I'm nearly falling asleep now.
are you? Jan was at the front so she could see before I could. We were coming to a bend, we've got a boat moored up on the left hand side, so I was in the middle of the channel. It was very weedy because nothing has been cut down for months and has been allowed to grow, so you couldn't really get 3 boats through there anyway. As Jan said, there's a boat coming. I started to move over, but obviously the slower you go in, the longer that move will take. He was going quite fast, as you can probably see, and the inevitable happened and we hit each other, not head on, but side to side at the bow of the boat. Nothing I could have done about it. If I'd have slammed it in reverse, it would have made no difference at all, because of the momentum of the boat means it would take yards, feet, ages to slow down 15 tons of metal, even going at this speed.
Well, I think he was on the wrong side of the canal as well. I'm sorry.
And yeah,
I was at the front.
if you looked, he was coming round the blind bend. He must have been able to see the boat moored up from his perspective, and didn't move at all, really. He stayed on the centre line and then bounced off the front of our boat and hit the moored boat as well.
I just think if somebody has done something and it's an accident, they say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry."
Yeah.
But he just flew off.
He accused me of going too fast. This is Somerton Deep Lock. How deep? We'll find out. Well, how deep is the lock? I don't know. Let's sing the song. How deep is this lock? How deep is this lock? I will not know for a while. Yes, I know what you're saying. Shut up, Tony. We're going to make it rain. It's already windy. Going down. I'll tell you how deep it is. It's 12 foot deep. 12 foot! of the last stops was called the pig place. This is probably called the cow place. Actually, I do remember all of this. We stopped here a few times because it's, well, it is a towpath. People walk along here, but it's just such a wide open space. We've got trees on the opposite side which may affect the solar, but we're only here for one night, so not too bad, not too shabby. Nice spot, Jan.
It is when the wind dies down.
When the wind, yeah.
And I'm just hoping the cows don't come here.
They do. If I remember rightly, they do come and have a sniff.
They can sniff all they like, but I am not opening a window or a side hatch.
Oh, she's not opening a window or a side hatch?
No.
There's a couple down there. They're very inquisitive cows, that's the thing.